This is a smart video doorbell wireless with a solar panel. It can be installed anywhere, even if we don't have electricity, because it works with the solar panel to charge its internal battery. It's super easy to install. It records video in 2K resolution. It has motion detection, 8 GB of internal memory. It's waterproof and it allows us to talk to the person who rang the doorbell using just the app on our phone. This is the EZVIZ CP3. I will leave the link down below, and this might be a great solution for those that don't have a built-in video doorbell, or for those that don't even have the installed wires to install one video doorbell. In my case, as you guys know, I use the EZVIZ HP7, so it doesn't make much sense to use this one. But for homes that aren't prepared, this can solve the problem, because we can put it anywhere that we want. Actually, I've been doing that for the past few days, putting here and there. We can actually use this as a multi-purpose device. Let's imagine that I need to call someone, and if I have this here, if that someone has the app on the phone, as soon as I ring this, that person will receive the notification to answer the call. So there are multiple ways that we can use this. Inside the package we will find the video doorbell, the solar panel, and all the accessories needed for the installation. And the only thing that I was initially not really happy was with the wire that connects the solar panel to the doorbell. But then I realized that this has a system that will allow us to extend the cable and put the cable inside. So if I want to put it in a longer distance, at this moment I just need to push because it's inside the solar panel, and we can also put inside here, but it's enough here. And the cable is quite long, so we can put it at a more distance. But the thing is that if I want to put it like this, which I believe that it's the most elegant way, we don't see the wire. And if I want to put them together side by side, then bam, no wire at all. And that was cool. For the installation, it comes with mounts that we can screw into the wall, or we can use the double-sided tape. Now, in my particular case, I used the tape in my test, actually because I was trying in different parts of my house. But in a real-world situation, I would go with the screws like I do have mine outside. Once installed, just turn it on, install the app if you don't have it already, and follow on the screen steps. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes to get everything working, and the only thing that we need is a Wi-Fi signal that will cover the area where we are installing the EZVIZ CP3. For those that don't have Wi-Fi signal to the door, EZVIZ has a solution that might be a 2-in-1, and we will cover that in just a few moments. In terms of the app, we already know the EZVIZ app. It's very easy to use, and here you can view a live feed. We can talk to the person who rang our doorbell, and when someone rings, we will get a notification like a phone call. So we just need to answer that phone call and talk to the person even if we are not at home. Inside the app, besides the normal usage and the notifications and the video storage that we will have access to see later, we will also have options to manage battery settings, people detection, notifications, image and sound settings, and also a lot of other options to customize the way that the video doorbell works. And for those that want to have a sound inside the house, because this sound will only be able for the person that rings the doorbell, but if I want to have the sound inside, then EZVIZ has a solution which is the EZVIZ CH1, and it's a 2-in-1. It will be a doorbell, but it will also act as an access point. So if you have your router here and you place in the video doorbell right over here and the signal is not enough, if you get the CH1 and you put it in the middle, I would say near to your front door, then it will grab the Wi-Fi signal from the router and it will extend it, and hopefully it will reach the video doorbell. So we will have a 2-in-1. It will be an indoor chime, and it will also be a Wi-Fi repeater. I will leave a link down below just in case you want to check that out and see if it's a good match for the CP3 and solve your indoor bell sound and also the Wi-Fi range. Hope that you enjoyed to meet the EZVIZ CP3. As you know, we love solar panels here on the channel. If that was the case, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, Jorge, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.